welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne today. Now, police was involved in a situation with him, and he was trying to get their badge number, but he was unable to. It was to no avail. He was saying that he was trying to record them, but he did not get as much information on his recording as well. But he's saying that there is nothing that he did for them to, come for him or to call him. And so he's talking about that. Now go and check out his video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Come and find me and lock me up. I'll be waiting patiently. Come put on the handcuffs them. Thank you, Lord. It is not about my hair. It is not about my hair right now. I listen. I tried to record what the alleged police had to say. Right? I tried to, because I was on a call with my friends, right? And I had to quickly put them on another phone and recorded what I could get. I tried to get their badge number again. All of that, right? To no avail. However, listen to this. This is all I could get. Sorry, can we start again? What was
just asking if it's possible, if you've got disputes with anybody.
Hold on, I wasn't hearing you. Can you start over now? I want to hear you. I want to hear you properly.
What you can do is just make a complaint to who the parties are, without any person's name being called. If that's
I don't want you to call. Hold on. I don't want you to call anyone's name. Can you start again? What's the nature of the phone call again? Sorry.
I've explained to you already, Dwayne. And
I didn't hear you well, though. I didn't hear you well. I was distracted.
I just asked you to do. All right, all that swearing, please. I'm asking you to stop it, and no names calling. Thank you.
Okay. Popo, whoever you are, go suck my data. Now I'm giving you something to come and lock me up for. Come for me. I told you, go suck my data. You and whoever made the complaint about me got suck on the mother. Understand? I've been told you people I'm not afraid of none of you. Worst of all, I ain't afraid of no dirty police, because I know for a fact I have my rights, and I'm not going to give you my rights for none of you. Dirty Janet Amosio got suck your mother. Whoever tell the police to come call me, go suck on a mother. Go and suck on a mother. Hey, Teresa, you want the badge number 2. Teresa, you want the badge number 2. Mr. Kupa Uno is trying so hard, right? It is not effective enough. Look at good. Look at here. You see me long? I'm good. I'm great. I'm amazing. Mr. Una can't call me down, go call down on a dirty woman and dirty pooper and a dirty family. Me good over your son. Anybody who send that alleged popo, go suck on a mother. Go and suck on a mother. And whoever that alleged popo is, go suck your mother too. Go and suck your mother too. You don't want any more than that? You don't want any more than that? I'm telling you, I am not retreating. No, am I surrendering? Angleface got suck your mother too. Got lava juice your mother too. And whoever that alleged popo is, go and lava juice your mother too. And whoever send that popo to, go and lava juice your mother too. Girl, my lips are always moist. Always. I have to keep them moisturized. I don't know who's gonna kiss them. I don't know who's gonna come to my house. Who's to say when my people in my want pull up tonight, call them stay good. They want come go out with them. So who's to say? Sean, me say, tell them to go suck them mother. Mother, go and suck on a mother. Don't call my phone again. If you want me, you know where to find me. Right? You have my address. Hey, and I bet you anyone had that blood clot dirty woman Janet go suck your mother. And go suck your father, they do. Hey guys, you know another thing. It came to my attention, right? Say, Gracie and that other dirty woman from Curacao had the paperwork already. But bear in mind, this woman didn't want no public acknowledgement. So hold on, woman, after you... Hold on, I'm make a phone call. I'm make a phone call. I'm gonna make a phone call. Blood clot to the car coming forth. Popo go suck your mother. Come out like a from boat here. I all send call you. Alleged Popo walk a call by private number. Go suck your mother. Popo usually do call him private number, but Popo go suck your mother too. Yo. I want to ask this person, how did the conversation go with that woman? Because hear what? They was on the call. They had everything, right? Everything. That woman, Janet Thompson, you are one dirty blood clot. Dana, be mindful of her because she said she only give me and only you and me will get her money. That's what the woman said. So imagine if she can do that to me, what would she do to anybody else? Dirty Janet Thompson. Me not top calling him. Janet Thompson got suck your mother. Janet Thompson is one dirty blood clot who you tried to take me for a fool, and all along, you was buttering me up, only to know that you was plotting against me, Janet blood clot Thompson. Imagine. Big up to Suzette once again. Big up to Suzette Williams. Suzette, you are a blessed woman and I love you. I never thought I would. Suzette, big up to your damn self one more time. Suzette heart was in the right place. Janet used one dirty blood clot. Janet got for box it down. Janet Thompson got for box it down. God for box it down. I bet it's you trying to get you like a dirty people come call my phone. Well, I know got suck on my mother. And leave me alone. I'm tired of you people. I know for a fact that's the last of it though. Anyone else come out of the woodworks? Listen, when I look upon none out and furthermore, I'm very sure ain't gonna be no one else because a lot of the people want to get back on the things because, you know, want to get back on the things out to the last money what was for June. And the money for so that done gone, or the money done, Susan ain't got a problem. So why? Hey, people, you see that Janet woman? I swear to God, do you guys remember when the whole saga was going down, right? Me call her, I said, can I have a conversation?